Are you struggling in designing your thumbnails and your thumbnails don't get the clicks that you think they should be getting? Now, what if I told you in this video that there is an AI tool that literally does all that work for you? It designs your thumbnails, and I mean viral thumbnails, in a matter of seconds. And the amazing part is that this tool is absolutely free. And it's also user friendly, which means both beginners and professionals can use it. Now, if you're also struggling in designing your thumbnails, now this video could be a breakthrough for you. And just give it a like and watch it till the end. Now, before I even proceed, let me take a moment to welcome any new viewer here. Feel free to join this family because here we give working YouTube growth tips and insights that are so implementable. No fluffs, no gimmicks. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for always showing up. Your support can never be ignored. Now, without further ado, let me take you straight into it. So why is this even important? Why do you need this tool? You see, thumbnail is the first impression of your video. It's like the storefront of a shop. Now, customers, what they usually see first is your storefront before they decide to walk into your shop. That's how thumbnails work. Thumbnails have to drive curiosity for the viewers before they click on it. So designing thumbnails is so important if you want to increase your click-through rate and make viewers click on your videos. Sometimes beginners don't have enough money to purchase the pro version of certain tools that can help them design viral thumbnails. For example, they can't afford maybe Canva or even Photoshop. Now this tool comes in because it's absolutely free and easy to use. So let me take you through a demonstration on how you can design thumbnails and viral thumbnails using this amazing AI tool absolutely for free. Now the tool that we are going to use is called ImageFX. So we are going to use ChatGPT alongside this tool, and the main reason we are using ChatGPT is to help us generate the prompt that we will feed to this tool in order to generate for us the thumbnail. So in my thumbnail image, I want my image to be similar to my real picture or my real image. So what I'm going to do is to ask ChatGPT. Let me open ChatGPT there. Now what I'm going to do from here is to upload one of my portrait images so that ChatGPT can generate a prompt for us to feed to ImageFX, because I want an image for the thumbnail to be exactly like my real image. So what we are going to do is to upload one of my portrait photos here. Let me upload it. Let me choose this one. Done. So what I'm going to ask ChatGPT is to generate for me a, a prompt for thumbnail generator. Then I'm going to ask ChatGPT again to use the description of this image for my thumbnail. Then I'm going ahead to tell ChatGPT the title of my video so that it knows how to title the thumbnail. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT that my video title, let me say, for example, let's use an example of my niche. Let me say, get more views, for example. You can use any example as per your niche. Get more views. Then I can go ahead and add, make the colors pop. So let's see the kind of prompt ChatGPT is gonna generate for us. So there it is. You see? So this is the prompt that we are going to feed to our thumbnail generator, which is ImageFX. So I'll just copy this prompt and let me copy it. It's already, now this prompt is already copied in my clipboard. So I'm going to open our tool now. So what you're going to do, let's go to our Google search and type there ImageFX. FX. There it is. So we are going to use this one here, Google Labs, the second one here. So let's tap on it. So I can go ahead and log in with my Google account there. So now this is the interface of this AI thumbnail generator. So what we are going to do is to go ahead and paste our prompt here. It's already copied in our clipboard, so it's there. Let me paste it. So this is our prompt. So let's go ahead and tap generate there. So this is where our image is going to be generated. So you see, our thumbnail was about getting more views. And if you look at this photo here, it's almost resembling me, though not so accurate, but I can still go ahead and ask ChatGPT to refine it and make it look more like me. So you see how this tool is so magical. So you can just go ahead and download this thumbnail here and use it for your videos. Photo here almost resembles me, though it's not 100% accurate. So you can get more variations of this thumbnail by swiping like this. You see? So you can download the one you see is best for you. Let me download this, for example. But you can also maintain consistency if you want to use a similar photo for other thumbnails by going to settings there, then tapping on this lock. You see, by locking it, it means that you will always be generating your thumbnails and the photo that will be appearing is this one here. You can as well unlock it, you see, and you can also choose the aspect ratio of your thumbnail, which should be 16:9, the landscape aspect ratio. You can just go ahead and click on download there, then download. You see our image is already downloaded and ready as a thumbnail. You see? So this is how this tool is magical. So start using this tool if you are really struggling to make your thumbnails, and you will spend less time generating thumbnails. It's just that simple. Now, if you found value in this video, give it a like and share it with other creators so that they can also benefit from it. It also helps YouTube push it further to other creators. And in the comment section, let me know what you think about this tool, and let me also know if you'll start using it. And most importantly, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so that you never miss more of tools like this. See you in the coming video.